Alright guys, we're back. Here's the race chain I've been working on. Got chassis work, rivets, and then raker work. And everything's been smoothed out. No rough edges, sharp edges, except for the teeth. And now we're going to weigh it against the stock RS chain. That has maybe 2 or 3 sharpenings on it, so it will be a little lighter than an out of the box chain. Here we go. For the race chain. Like I said, you can see there it's got a couple sharpenings on it. 13.8. So an ounce later, I figured it'd be 2, but I was wrong. And so we'll look at some of it. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on my 66 with a 24-inch bar. Probably run an 8-pin on it, and then maybe even just throw a 10-pin on it just for fun. It pulls an 8-pin with a 36-inch bar, full comp, no problem. So this should be interesting. Stay tuned for that video to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.